Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'll help you how to fix a restricted account in Facebook. So guys, if your Facebook account has been restricted due to any violation, any community guideline violation, I'll help you how can you remove your restrictions from Facebook. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your settings and click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you need to go back, scroll it down, click on general, and guys, from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, guys, you need to go back and guys, open your app store here, as you can see. And after opening your app store here, you need to search Facebook. After this, you need to open your Facebook app here and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update, you have to go back, open your settings again and click on general and click on iPhone storage here. And now you need to open your Facebook and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this, you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then you need to open your Facebook app, click on your main profile icon, and after opening your main profile, you have to click on three dots, and guys, from here you need to scroll it down, and guys, you need to check if you have any restriction here. You need to click on profile status, and guys, if you have received any restriction, you will see here. And guys, you can also check that or what kind of post or story has been restricted on your Facebook account. So guys, simply you have to remove that story or post or video from your profile, and guys, after this your restrictions will be removed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still having this issue on your profile, you have to open your main profile icon, click on help and support, and you will see here the option of report a problem. Click on it, and guys, after this you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, click on report a problem here, click on include, and from here you can select any option. So guys, for example, I am going to select others, and now you can upload your screenshot here and write here your problem that you're facing again and again, and send your problem. Within few minutes they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.